What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It is finally a nice day out. We finally get to work on the TL. So if you watched my previous video, I did wrap a steering wheel that I bought off eBay, and the steering wheel cover was from East Detail. It's the one right here. It's black suede, it has blue stitching and a blue 12 o'clock marker. But before we install that, we do have to remove the old one. It should be a direct swap, and it should come off with just a few bolts and nuts. Yo, I'm super hyped to put this on. Let me show you what we need to do to take off the steering wheel. So I'm in the driver's seat. This is the original steering wheel that comes on the car, original airbag and everything. I do have this pretty nice steering wheel cover that's slip on. It's been about 2 or 3 years that I've had this. It's done the job, still looks really good. So I'm probably gonna put it on the Outback right there. But I'm ready for a new steering wheel, guys. Before you get started with anything that involves the airbag, you guys do need to go to the hood of the car and disconnect the battery. Definitely make sure to do that. Wait at least half an hour so that the electrical system can discharge. Definitely don't want the airbag to just pop in your face while doing this. Hopefully nothing happens. It's been over an hour since I disconnected it. Really easy to take off the steering wheel. On the sides right over here, there should be one little hole. It is a T30 star pattern nut, along with the other side over here. This is what the star pattern bolt looks like. This is a T30, I believe. Right here, yep, T30. So it's just literally 1 and 2. And to disconnect the airbag itself, we do have to come underneath. And this is looking underneath the steering wheel. We do have to pop this off and disconnect the airbag itself. It should be a yellow connector. After the airbag is removed, we might have to unclip a few things just to get the steering wheel off. Also, there is a 14mm nut that holds on the whole steering wheel. And that's pretty much it, guys. Let's get going with the steering wheel swap. So looking at the steering wheel right here, there's a white connector that goes to the clock spring, and it's the same wiring layout right here, so it's pretty easy. Just disconnect the white connector right here for the clock spring and everything should be good. And here it is, guys. I'm actually pretty hyped to drive now. Yo, this feels really nice. I still can't see the little imperfections, like right here, and like it's popping out a little, and right here. But overall, like, I'm actually pretty happy. I haven't plugged anything in yet, so I don't know if the wheels aligned properly. If so, I'm gonna have to redo everything and adjust the steering wheel again. So definitely try to keep it straight so that when you put on the other steering wheel, help you out and reduce time. So hopefully I put the steering wheel in right. Hopefully it's I don't have to undo everything and then fix my mistake. Maybe I'm just like 1 or 2 millimeters off, like this is supposed to be right here. Hopefully it's okay. Like I said, I didn't connect it yet, so the horn doesn't work yet. I'm really liking this blacked out look. It matches right here. Yeah, this looks so good, guys. Yo, I'm hyped. I actually have to go get gas, so this is gonna be the perfect time for me to test this out. I'm gonna go for a drive, get my initial impressions on the steering wheel. Let's go get some gas. Really hope the steering wheel is straight. Ooh, this feels nice.
A few moments later.
I'm impressed. Yo, this feels super nice. I've already taken a few turns, and yo, this feels like, oh, it feels so different. Oh man, this feels so nice. So I'm glad to say that everything works. I connected the battery. When I started the car, I was really hoping that the airbag didn't explode in my face. I'm not gonna lie, when I started the car, I just moved to the side real quick, just in case the airbag went off for any reason. I gotta say, it feels really nice, and I think I aligned it properly, so that's great. If you guys are doing this, make sure to keep it straight so that it's easier to remove and put on, and you don't have to worry about being off a little bit. After realizing that, I did take a picture just so that I can reference it and pretty much eyeball it, and I got it on the first try. Only time will tell to see how it will last and to see if I have any issues in the future, like the threading coming off or like breaking or anything like that, or if it gets discolored easily, because I do park in the sun a lot. I don't expect this to be top-notch quality, but at least last a few years. But if that happens, I do have my other steering wheel that I can rewrap. I'll try to keep you guys updated in the future if I have any issues, but that about wraps it up for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.